Welcome to the SPASH Holiday Open.
Welcome to the SPASH Holiday Open.
Welcome to the SPASH Holiday Open.
This project started in our geometry and construction class. We have two really innovative, creative teachers that were looking to give students a different learning experience that was hands-on, that was inclusive. They partnered with our tech ed department, and the result is what you see today.
I'm most proud about how many courses we were able to get done in just a span of a couple weeks.
When you can do a project like this, it shows off not only the product, but also the process, which is really cool.
It took a lot of time, and we had to change a couple things to figure it out and make it work, but we did it.
I learned that you really kind of need a lot of math in places that I didn't think you'd need as much of it.
They're learning the engineering process, and they're learning the design process.
It changed a lot on my perspective about how easily things get done if you're working with people.
It was really nice getting to see all of our hard work getting put together.
It's a neat opportunity for them to do something that the rest of the school gets to see.
It's really worth it in the end. Seeing all these people here enjoying it, it's really nice.
I think the most important thing is a feeling of pride in their work, but also connecting what they're learning in mathematics to an activity that can benefit many other people. This year we presented at a national conference in San Antonio on this project as well. It's really grown a lot. It's created a community-wide event.
It gets a little bit bigger every year. Tonight, we open up to the community members coming through tonight to see the student work and play the course themselves. It's definitely become a staple of one of the really innovative and important programs in our school, which is geometry and construction. It makes learning a lot of fun.